Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are taking you on another camping adventure. This time exploring the stunning landscapes of southern Alberta. The drive along the Cowboy Trail offers breathtaking views, with the Rocky Mountains on your right. In the summer, the scenery is lush and vibrant, with greenery as far as the eye can see. After a 2 to 3 hour drive through wildlife corridors, we stumble upon a hidden gem. Lundbreck Falls, often called the mini Niagara Falls. It has 2 cascades, much like the famous American and Canadian falls. The view, complete with a passing train in the backdrop, was absolutely magical. We didn't waste any time and started exploring. And we learned an interesting fact. Just 7 kilometers from here, the first T-Rex bones in Canada were discovered, known as the Black Beauty. The fossils are now displayed at Royal Tyler Museum in Drumheller. See more on that? Watch our vlog we did at the Drumheller Museum. As we moved forward, we reached Crowsnest Pass, which borders British Columbia. Driving through the Frank Slide splash zone, we were amazed by the scale of this massive rock slide. We also visited the Frank Slide Interpretive Center, which we'll cover in detail in our next video, so stay tuned. On the way, we passed remnant of an abandoned coal mine, a reminder of the region's mining history. For this trip, we camped at the Chinook Provincial recreational area. The view of Crowsnest Mountain as you enter the area is spectacular. Our campsite was right by the lake, and the sight of its still colorful waters left us in awe. After setting up our camping gear, we realized we forgot firewood and had to make a quick trip back to town. By evening, we were ready to enjoy our dinner and settle in for a peaceful night, without cell reception, fully immersed in nature. Day 2 began with a relaxing morning and a hearty breakfast, surrounded by snow-capped mountains. hiked the scenic trail around Chinook Lake. The loop was breathtaking, and we soaked in the beauty of the trees and wild roses that are so common in Alberta. During the hike, we saw people making the most of the gorgeous surrounding. Later, Shehan sketched Crowsnest Mountain, creating a piece of art inspired by the stunning view. We even met a friendly policeman on horseback. As the day wound down, we enjoyed a late lunch and early dinner. The calm, mirror-like lake and vibrant colors of the sunset provided the perfect ending to the day. Day 3 greeted us with the rain and chilly weather. Clouds draped over the mountains, giving the area a moody vibe. Despite the gloomy skies, the sound of birdsong made the morning magical. After 2 nights, it was time to pack up and leave this beautiful campsite. We made sure to leave it better than we found it. On the way back, we visited the Frank Slide Interpretive Center and explored Hillcrest, a small mining town where Canada's worst mining disaster occurred. Visiting the burial site and remnant of the town was a sobering experience, reminding us of the area's rich but tragic history. As we continue back to Calgary, the rain began, and we even received a tornado warning. Thankfully, we were heading in the opposite direction of the storm and made it home safely. Along the way, the landscapes looked like wallpapers, and we spotted plenty of wildlife. And that wraps up another camping adventure. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy adventures. Bye.